So I just did my harvest. It was really tiny, not too much today. And I picked stuff that was a little green that was turning. I'm going to come out here and look tomorrow because there's probably more stuff. And I'm probably going to harvest that tomorrow. Oh, actually, no, I'm not going to be out here tomorrow because I'm going to be busy. But I'll be back in a few days and who knows what we'll have. But I realized this is one head of lettuce, I think. I'm pretty sure this is just one head. But then I was looking right here and wait, where is it? That's 2 heads of lettuce. So I'm going to separate that. I didn't realize that was 2 heads of lettuce. But they're doing great. And that makes me even more happy. I have 2 heads. And then I have all this stuff over here popping up. And I'm going to start separating this stuff out so they can grow and be big heads of lettuce. Oh, that's what I was doing. I had it like superimposed. I was having a hard time seeing it. Because there's this head that's doing really good where it can be separated and independent, and this head and that head and this one, yeah, because I want these cilantro to grow too. And I'm not going to plant some more lettuce this week. I'm not going to do it right away. And then I'm going to separate these tomatoes too, because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes in there. And then I'm going to plant some more beans out here, so when I come back, and there'll be some more stuff. And then, yeah, because soon there are going to be a lot of fun surprises on my channel and so many things I'm going to be doing. And oh shit, I'm going one side. I don't know, stuff keeps falling over there. If you like, watch and subscribe. Bye.